In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide a sheet in Google Sheets. If you've ever hidden a sheet to keep your spreadsheet neat or to focus on certain data, you might now be wondering how to make that hidden sheet visible again. Don't worry, because it's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. To begin, open your Google Sheets document where you have a sheet that is currently hidden. Once you're in your document, look towards the top menu bar. You'll notice several options such as File, Edit, View, and so on. We're particularly interested in the View option. Go ahead and click on View. This step is crucial as it grants you access to additional options related to the visibility of your sheets. After clicking on View, hover your mouse over the Hidden Sheets option. You should see a drop-down menu appear. The Hidden Sheets section shows all the sheets in your document that have been hidden. If no sheets have been hidden, this option will not appear. However, if you do see it, it means there are sheets waiting to be unhidden. Now that you're hovering over the hidden sheets, you should see a list of all the sheets you've hidden. It's like uncovering a secret stash of data. The next step is quite simple. Click on the name of the sheet that you want to reveal. By clicking it, you instruct Google Sheets to make that particular sheet visible again in your document. Once clicked, you'll notice that the sheet reappears at the bottom of your spreadsheet alongside your other visible tabs. At this point, the sheet you selected is now unhidden and fully accessible, just like the rest. This allows you to interact with its data, edit information, and carry on with whatever tasks you need the sheet for. That's all there is to it. This simple process allows you to manage the visibility of sheets within your Google Sheets document efficiently. Keeping certain sheets hidden can help maintain focus and organization, especially in documents with a large amount of data. Remember, re-hiding sheets is just as easy, ensuring that your workflow remains flexible and controlled. Thanks for watching this easy tutorial on unhiding sheets in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore other tips and tricks on managing your Google Sheets more effectively. Happy spreadsheeting!